Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and I wanted to go over the new membership levels. I deleted the Meet Miss Todoric, and I added a Hacker and Cyber. So let me explain all the levels. The first level we have is 99-cent Shoutout. That is a 30-second YouTube short on your channel. So regardless if you have content or not, I shout out your channel, and you are officially a member of Miss Todoric. So I appreciate your membership. You do have loyalty badges and an emoji, and then I include you like every month. I will always do like a YouTube shout out, and I will include you on. Well, a lot of the times I just include you on my website as well. The website, even though that is one step level up. I also kind of add you on the website only because right now I don't have too many shout outs. So you do get extra for the 99 cents. One upgrade to that with the 4 shout outs, that's $2.99. The important thing about here is that I design merch for you. So you get a long form video, a member shout out, like the 30-second YouTube short. In addition to, you'll see on my homepage, you'll have like different merch. So you'll have at Kai2Fly, at Dragon Live. Those are some samples. So I designed some merch and I kind of sell them on my website. A lot of my students are underage. They don't have a way for them to access merch. They just want to buy it and they really don't want to do the work as far as designing it on their own and making the money on their own. So I kind of help out in that way. But when you are 18 and of age, please, please, please start your own store, learn how to design, upload a logo. The 2 websites are Bonfire and Teespring that I use. And there are videos and playlists on how to do that. So that is 4 shout outs, merch, and the long form would be the 2 extra items with the shout outs. Now the new level, well, this is fairly new. I have the Test Out Microsoft Excel. This is a student emailed me. I didn't even know they have a separate course. A lot of the videos are so similar to the Test Out Office Pro. So if you are taking the Office Pro, the Microsoft Excel section, there's like complete full walkthroughs on how to complete each and every lesson. So this is it's a separate course. A few things are changed. They do have some advanced features in Microsoft Excel here. So you get that entire course for $3.99 only because I'm towards the end of it. I have like 50, 60 videos. I still have some more content to do. So that's why it's like a reduced price. And it's just one course. It's just that Test Out Microsoft Excel. So that's $3.99. Moving up, these are 2 new courses Test Out offers. It's called the Cyber Defense Pro and Ethical Hacker Pro. I have never taught them, but I do share the answers to the practice questions here. And it's fairly simple, the labs. I'll probably show you the explanation. I have like one video. So you're going to keep an eye, look at the playlist. I'll have a playlist called Hacker and Cyber, and then you can view, right now it's just one video of chapter 2 with the Ethical Hacker Pro questions. But eventually we'll have the full playlist here. Moving up, this is pretty much like every test out course. Explanation, very few walkthroughs. I show you all like the practice exams, the questions, what to expect when you're taking this test, and let me go to edit because you can't see all the courses. There's a lot. I know it's routing, switching, PC Pro, Cert Master. What else is there? Digital, test out security. I kind of abbreviated it. But take a look at the playlist. You're going to see the long playlist. And those are just explanations only for $19.99. Now, the most expensive is I spent quite some time doing this playlist, and that's why it's $49.99, only because they're full step-by-step walkthroughs. And I give you the full Test Out Office Pro certification exam, and that's like an hour-long video of just me taking the exam. I pass it. There's videos and YouTube shorts of showing you my certificate. This is Microsoft Word. You have Access, you have Excel, PowerPoint, and it's full walkthroughs. So you guys know in every lab, there's a practice lab, a challenge lab, then there's questions. And I show you exactly how to do it. And it took quite some time, like I said, the whole curriculum, but everything is here. There isn't a video missing. Whether it's a practice exam, like you name it, everything's here, and that's for $49.99. So that's the highest level so far. You get the full walkthrough test out office. Here you just get like the explanations. I'll show you like the answers to the questions, the explanation, the test out. Hacker and Cyber I just started once again. And then we have some shout outs that are new and that students like. So I hope this helps before you join. If you have any ideas or suggestions, I'm open to changing levels, combining them, changing prices, or whatever it is you need. Just reach out, let me know, and I'll make changes. Thank you so much. And thanks for being a member. I appreciate all your support, especially those students who are not my students. You know, that's great. That's awesome. I will definitely help you as much as I can. And I appreciate those 99-cent shout outs. I truly do. Thanks so much. God bless you. And till the next video. Bye bye.